Welcome back. Today we'll see the procedure of installing drives in Orico CyberData NAS. I'm removing the screws after turning the NAS upside down for installing the NVMe's at the bottom of the panel. There are two NVMe slots and there is a RAM slot as well. And nowadays RAM price is high, so I would wait for upgrading the RAM. But NVMe is I had already lying around. So here is the 8 GB RAM, and these are the two NVMe slots. And I got a new Orico stick, and this is the NVMe that I already have installing in the Orico provided heatsinks, and this is the new Orico J10 512 GB, and I have this heatsink already lying around, so installing in that. For opening the tray, we need to press the rounded button towards left, pull towards left, and then we can slide using that handle to pull the tray out. So I'm removing the 5 trays for installing the SSDs, which are SATA SSDs and also HDDs. This is how internally it looks. There are 5 SATA ports. And I'm also unboxing a new hard disk, which is a 4 TB. This is a WD Red Plus. There are screws provided in that, and there is a little user manual or specifications. It's well packaged as well. This is how the bottom looks, and there is the 4 TB Red Plus. So putting that in the tray, I'm going to install the 6 screws. The screws are already provided by Orico, 3 on either side. And some of these screws for the middle slot, they might not fit correctly. Then you may try other screw. So the middle one, in case if it is not fitting correctly, in the sense slightly, if it is not flush to the surface, then it may be difficult to put in the SATA slot in the NAS. Some other ones can be tried, or you may try reinserting the screw and turning it back on. So after installing all the six screws, or at least four, we can put back all these drives back into the NAS. Thanks for watching.